straight.
Okay,
Right
this
now
is
it's
Richard
closed.
again. This is part 2 of
Turn
our
straight is open.
active recovery. What we've done is we've stuck an adapter on here to put a micron instrument on here so we can get a micron reading.
I'm sorry, Ray.
And we had a 650 and we want to get it down to 500. So
540.
right now we're at 540, as you can see. So what we're going to do, and what he did was he put this stem, he put this tool right here that takes out the Schrader valve so that it pulls a better vacuum. With this adapter here, all you have to do is turn the knob off, and then you pull the Schrader valve off, and then you open it up, and it gets a better vacuum. So he did that, and we're hooking it right now to the vacuum pump and trying to get it down to 500 microns. Vacuum pump's on right now. It is on, right?
No,
turn it on.
it's not.
Turn it on.
How you take it out?
Huh?
Yeah, just how you take it out? Huh? Rub it there, man. Yeah, you have to see how it's working.
Hey, you want us to turn the vacuum on?
Yes.
Okay, so we're going to turn
Now,
the
you understood
vacuum
what we
pump.
did, right? By pulling the stem out,
Right,
closing the
yeah,
valve before actually pulling the stem completely out of it.
Right.
And
Okay.
then we put the micron gauge on. We have a 510. 510. We're going to put the vacuum on. We're going to take it down as low as we can. 500 is ideal, but we're going to take it down as low as we can. So go ahead and turn the vacuum on.
What you're supposed to hook it up the unit.
Open up the valve for your low red side.
That's Moses opening the valve.
He's taking out of the unit, but it's supposed to go to the...
No. If it's empty, then we're good.
We're gonna pull all the refrigerant out.
Yeah, that's fine.
No more refrigerant. It's all out.
Okay, we got that valve ready.
And here we go.
500.
Somebody, the pump is on, it's pulling
Vacuum
down,
pump is on.
and we're down to 500.
So after 490. Huh?
We're at 490.
They say 500. They say 500, but when you pull the vacuum on it, if it drops, it keeps dropping, the better vacuum you get on it,
You heard it. Better vacuum you get, the better.
you get on it, the better. You know, you got everything.
And then you blow the valve. You blow this one, right? Take the red out and put the thing back.
Right there, you close it. Well, you close it first. Once you tighten it,
This one is vacuum
back on
Ain't nothing in
to the
it.
infinity right there. Then you can
There's
open the
nothing in it.
valve up
You
and you
pulled
can
everything
push
out.
this all the way back up.
But where is going? No?
in it.
And you can see that the gauge is way below
It's supposed to
zero.
vacuum something. If it's nothing is there, what do you vacuum?
No.
Just vacuum
Before you
out all
open
the
the valve,
moisture.
you seat it.
What
you
is
screw this in, you tighten it.
from 4?
Then you open the valve. Now
There's
allow this
output.
to push on in so you can reseat.
No, that's the
reseat
input.
stem.
That is the output for here. But the moisture is supposed to go
Now
up
we got it down to 490.
No problem, man.
He said take the micron down below 500. So
Is it below 500 now?
it's 490 right now. So
Okay. No, we vacuum it from here, okay? And pass it to here. But there is an output for this one.
Excuse me?
If you vacuum it from here, if you take it from here and pass it to here,
Yes.
but where is going? No.
It's coming out. See that
From
white
there.
hole right there?
Oh,
the
from there.
silver?
Okay.
You feel it?
Yeah, from there is
You
going.
feel it coming out right there? You feel in the air? Nothing?
It's right on 480. It's supposed to be leaded, no?
Looks like it's on.
I mean, it's on.
It's plugged in. Sound, and you can hear it.
Yeah, it's on.
Is the gauge open? Yeah, the gauge is open.
It's open.
I'm still picking up what you need to do.
Go down now. 500 now 470. It's supposed to be leaded.
Ah, we got to open that gauge wide open. Okay.
470, 500 right
We just lost 20 pounds. So
Let them see how low we can go.
or 20 microns or whatever. Oh, now it's working better. We open this puppy wide open.
The last time we shot, we had the air coming out, you know, like
Yeah, some
smoke is coming out,
of the
right?
moisture.
You go down anymore?
No, 470 doesn't go more.
So we're 470, so I think that's as far as we're going to go. And that's the end of my video.